a member of our aviation family who grew up in a flying family. Today he lives in Arizona, where his runway is right outside his door. Instead of an attached garage, his house has an attached hangar. He flew for the commercial airlines, and he was the youngest pilot at Southwest and became their youngest captain. The airplane he's flying is the American-built Zivco Edge 540. Technically, it's a one-seat unlimited class aircraft designed for aerobatics. But Kirby says it's just a rocket with wings. And I agree with that. It's stripped down like a race car for maximum performance. Very lightweight, and the top speed at air shows is about 230 miles per hour. With a Lycoming AEIO 540 cubic inch motor and a steel tube fuselage, it's surrounded by a composite shell and wings. Watch from the right, very low. Watch for the Cobra. He'll pull it straight up and stop it. Now watch him roll it. Very slow, only 60 miles an hour, getting the roll rate going. There's 90 miles an hour. There's 100 as he continues to roll it. That is unbelievable. Please give it up for the incomparable Kirby Chambliss.